Hello friends, my name is Vishwa Patel and today we are going to solve most popular question of LeetCode 3046 split the array. Let's read the question first. You are given an integer array nums of even length. You have to split the array into two parts nums1 and nums2 such that length of nums1 and length of nums2 is equal and nums dot length divided by 10. And also we have condition which is nums1 should contains distinct elements and nums2 should also contains distinct elements. Return true if it is possible to split the array and false otherwise. Let's understand with the example 1. We are given array with elements 1 1 2 2 3 and 4, and their frequency is in 1 is 2 times in this array, 2 is 2 times, 3 is 1 times, and 4 is 1 time. So uh, we split this array into two ways. Our nums 1 is 1, 2, and 3, and our num 2 is 1, 2, 4. In these two arrays, we all passes these conditions like nums 1 dot length and nums 2 dot length equal to same, size of these two arrays same, nums 1 should contains only distinct number like 1 2 and 3, and also nums 2 contains distinct numbers. So this is our condition is true, so we return true. But in this array we have 4 times 1. It means if we split array into 1 1 and 1 1, which is our two arrays, length of two arrays, these two arrays is equal, but it does not contain distinct numbers. That's why we return true. Let's solve the question. So in this code we use map, which is store key and value, which is m1, and we take for loop, which is int x and nums. And in this question, uh, so we have condition which is if our frequency of element is greater than or equal to 2, then we return false, because if we split into two arrays, it does not contains distinct number per array. That's why. If so, nums of x plus plus, which is increase, which is count frequency of per element, and then if our nums x greater than 2, then we return false, and out of this for loop we return true. Let's check this code. Let's run it. Our code passes all test cases of this question. Let's submit it. So this is our smart and optimization solution of this question. Uh, Time complexity of this code is order of n, and space complexity is order of 1. If you are like this video, then share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.